Hello, my dear friends, and a very warm welcome back to English Voices. I am so happy you're here with me today. We are going to practice speaking English together in a very calm and powerful way. Today, we're going to focus on something that can make your conversations flow beautifully, connecting your thoughts. Sometimes we know many words, but linking them together smoothly can feel tricky. This practice will help you bridge your ideas just like native speakers do, naturally and easily. First, let's take a moment to arrive. Get comfortable. Maybe you're having a morning coffee or winding down in the evening. Wherever you are, I'm glad you're here. Could you do me a small favor? Type a quick "I'm here" in the comments below. It always makes me smile to see you. Also, I'd love to know, what is one situation where you wish your English could flow more easily? Is it at work, while making friends, or maybe while traveling? Share with me if you feel comfortable.
All right, lovely learners. Today's shadowing practice is all about linking phrases. These are the small but powerful words that help you move from one idea to the next without stopping. We'll practice together. I'll say a short conversation snippet twice. First, just listen to the melody and the flow. Then, the second time, I want you to repeat it with me. Try to copy my pace and my tone. Speak out loud, even if it's just a whisper. Are you ready? Let's begin our practice. We will say each sentence twice. First, you listen, then you speak with me. You know, I was thinking the same thing. You know, I was thinking the same thing. Actually, let me add something to that. Actually, let me add something to that. For example, just the other day. For example, just the other day. So, what I'm trying to say is. So, what I'm trying to say is. On the other hand, I see your point. On the other hand, I see your point. Anyway, getting back to the topic. Anyway, getting back to the topic. Because of that, I changed my mind. Because of that, I changed my mind. In other words, it's all about practice. In other words, it's all about practice. As a result, I feel much more confident. As a result, I feel much more confident. To be fair, it wasn't easy at first. To be fair, it wasn't easy at first. Wonderful! You're doing great. Let's continue with a few more. Remember, the goal is smoothness, not speed. Honestly, I really appreciate your help. Honestly, I really appreciate your help. In fact, I've already noticed progress. In fact, I've already noticed progress. By the way, did you hear about that? By the way, did you hear about that? Ultimately, it's your decision to make. Ultimately, it's your decision to make. For the most part, I agree with you. For the most part, I agree with you. In my experience, small steps work best. In my experience, small steps work best. All things considered, it was a good day. All things considered, it was a good day. You did it! That was amazing practice. You just worked on the very phrases that make conversations connect and flow seamlessly. Remember, using these connectors is like adding bridges between your islands of thought. It helps people follow your ideas easily. You don't need to use them all. Start by picking 1 or 2 favorites and try to use them in your own sentences this week. The most important thing is that you showed up and used your voice. I am so proud of you for that. Please come back and repeat this practice anytime you like. Consistency is your greatest friend. Thank you for trusting me with your practice time here on English Voices. Keep connecting, keep speaking, and remember, your voice matters. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.